of Team Stroker family. And next, the official DJ of Team Stroker next entry. Ladies and gentlemen, the official part 2 of Team Stroker Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Team Stroker family powered by Philippines.